Yo guys, today we're going to be changing up, yeah? Starting pranks with Marcus and us two, obviously Ishmael, yeah? Right, so let's do some shit, boys. Yeah, and peace.
Try to keep not laughing coming. Oh, it's normal. Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah?
Have you seen like a cat? Like a brown cat?
No.
Called Trifle?
No.
You want 80 of you?
No.
You want 80 of my cat?
It's
Alright,
like
cause
a browny blackish colour. Like
yeah, like it run down here the other day, and like, cause it's called Trifle. Like, I was wondering if you had a taste of it. No, my cat. You don't see no cat, right?
Right, we have this sad. And there's like a reward if someone finds it.
$1 billion.
What's it off?
Ben 10. I'll see that. No.
Well, I've not seen it, so.
Alright then. Alright,
Yeah,
bro.
very sad.
Yeah, I know.
Things like
Same.
this happen at times.
Trifle, my cat. Man,
He's the one.
I'll never see him
one
again,
cat.
bro. He's a
He's the
sexy
one
cat. Alright, I've seen a bit in it.
Where are you from?
Tesco.
Where avenue do you live in?
I live in.
Tesco. Pardon?
What avenue do you live in?
Oh, Avenue.
Oh,
You know where,
Rhodesia.
I'd suggest you go looking round there and don't come knocking on my door again,
Alright,
Marvin.
have a shit day.
These not in as well.
There's obviously someone in.
I know. Dogs.
Someone else look through that blind there. Right there.
So we do not deal with uninvited traders.
Oh, fuck right now, I'm shitting. Hello, right. You know, like basically last night in it, bro. Like my hamster ran out of his house and it like came down here, bro.
Excuse me, what did you say? Just talk slowly and precisely.
My hamster,
Your hamster?
yeah, like run down here. Like it's like a Brabazon Rummy. It's like a breed from Syria, and it's got like the big white ears.
I haven't seen a hamster around.
I've not seen a hamster around here, no.
No.
Alright, okay. So basically, I saw his willy in the road, isn't it? But like, alright, I seen a bit.